All right, we are out here in San Fernando, beautiful city of San Fernando for Sundowners MC. Third annual car and bike show. Got the El Camino back there somewhere. We'll see you here in a minute. Got some bikes over here. Got a little something. There's some ladies from the 80s. Hello, hey now. You know what to do with me. Take a walk with me. Let's go.
Right here. From the Lolo. Over there.
Right, all right, all right. I don't know a thing about motorcycles. Getting ready to raffle a bike off over here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Tyrone out here, the king of the sport.
Get that bike out. Nah, just go.
Motorcycles.
41,000 miles on it.
And one back there, it won't start.
So, who's going to be the lucky person to win this bike? $100 a spot.
Out here, beautiful day. 80 degrees. Got our ice cold carbonated beverage out here.
Okay, how many people are buying this bike?
So FO,
The raffle, $100. You may be the lucky person
get to the chopper.
to take this bike home.
Get to the chopper. The motorcycle,
We
baby.
got 50 tickets
It's not a motorcycle,
before it
it's a
gets
chopper.
raffled.
Who's chopper?
50 tickets.
Zed.
Huh?
Zed's dead.
50 tickets needs to be sold.
Beautiful candied Impala. Look at that color. Sexy. Nice clean block. Check out that tangerine.
All right. 5 minutes for the raffle. So whoever bought a raffle ticket, please come to the DJ.
Making you horny, baby. Orange with envy. Latin Dukes out of that SSV. Beautiful patterns.
Ladies
Clean
and
ass
gentlemen,
interior.
if you bought a ticket, please come to the DJ stand. Or the fence, so you
Little
guys
spinneroonie. More Latin Dukes over here. The Impala. Say some respects to that plaque.
It's right here, right
Beautiful
in the middle.
weather. Time for the drop top.
Right here.
Drop the tops and drop them panties. .64. Cheech and Chong in the window. Purple stripe down the side. I like. Patina love on that trunk. Nothing wrong with that. Check out the guts.
All right, this is the bike.
Bounce around while Candyman's not over there playing the music. The Golden Girls are driving. Hello, ladies. The spinneroonie. Some champagne dreams.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
32.5-foot long Cadillac.
We're about to do the raffle now. If you have tickets, please come to the DJ booth.
That Ford. That's sexy. Rolling them 520s
Not the
on 14s.
not the bike raffle, but the blue ticket.
Beautiful paint. It's two spoke. And pinstriping. Let's go.
All right, guys. Here we go.
That velour.
All right. The first thing is a Pittsburgh tool set. Ready? We're gonna pull in the
Pulling the number. Premier.
Blue ticket. I am going to read the last 5. 97444. Blue ticket. 97444. If you got it, come on up.
Badass 58. The touring skirts rolling them 520s. Clean ass under the hood.
Okay, next thing up for grabs is a 22-piece Pittsburgh combination wrench set. So, come on up if that last one was
Continental
yours.
kit.
Here we go.
Getting blinded.
7-6.
Sunshine.
7-1. 7-6. 7-1.
What do we have here?
All right.
Check
next,
out that blue.
we got this Modelo.
Modelo.
Beer.
Oh shit.
Got beer. Got 2 nice Modelo cups, some spicy chips, and some spicy
Know that guy?
peanuts, and who knows what else?
It's a sexy son of a bitch. That 4-door.
7283. 7283.
Baby making station.
7283. Make this go quick. Okay. Next is this Harley Davidson.
Got SFV.
Put it in your saddlebags, couch, however you want to roll.
However you want to roll.
7379. 7379. Here. 7379.
Just bought a Cadillac. Throw some
Next
D's
up
on that
is this
bitch.
Cool little U.S. General.
Does this have the 500 block?
This is kind of cute.
It's a rear-wheel drive.
Oh, it's badass.
It's badass.
Sorry.
Whatever, right? Even across the street, she was calling it out.
Anyways, 7529. 7529.
50 feet long.
Bingo on up if you have it. Give me a little time to get over here. 7529.
3 minutes to walk it.
Next up is this portable car air pump. So this is great for your bike, your car, your bicycle, whatever, your mattress.
That badass 64 wagon.
Here we go. We're taking
Super clean.
now.
Original.
7545.
And you see sometimes on people's yards, like to step out and
On the road, emergency tire repair. I'm always looking for cars in the yard. All the stuff you need on the road.
Super sexy. And we got an old school Budweiser box down there.
7484.
Skeet, skeet.
Next up is this ammo box.
6 deuce.
There's ammo box and the Pittsburgh wrench set. Ammo box and a wrench set. Little action.
Laid out.
Two for 7704.
The red guts.
7704.
Got your mom's stripper pole back here.
Alright, I'm gonna read these stats, guys.
Told it.
Really cool knives, okay? So there's a ton of them. I'm just gonna call off the first, like, I'm gonna call off 15 tickets.
That 71 Mary Jane.
7819.
Just in a video shoot. Mary Jane. True Memories over here.
7654.
Got the dream catcher. Catching dreams.
7554.
Dropping drawers.
554.
True memories. What we got over here? Got that 64 Patina Love. Yeah. My wheels are dirty. Untouchables. The Make It Happener station. The captain's chair in there, huh? Got that 350 small block. Ooh. Man, trying to ruin my own shit over here. That Patina Love. Don't muck with that duck, baby. All right, how you doing today? The homies over here.
Still looking for 7484. 7484.
Looks a little different on this side.
And 7671. Come and get your mini air.
Come back here to get my ice cold carbonated beverage refilled. Got that cutty out
Gotta
here.
be done.
With Patina Love on there. It's all good, baby. Whoa. Hello, ladies. That's some tatas. I need a little bebop in the background, huh? Hello, ladies. Valley Life. The 57. Hold on, let's go catch that. For sure, panty dropper. Ooh, sexy 57. Rolling 13s. Got them D's. Yeah, buddy. Oldies Car Club. Woo. Hey now. Following up the 58. Gangsta 58. Rolling 13s. Yeah, baby. Oldies, baby. Clean as fuck. More than one kind of bike out here. Pretty sweet.
100.
Drop top Impala. Rolling 14s.
$25 Harley Davidson.
Clean on the inside.
All right, here we go. 7337.
65.
$50 to Harley Davidson. 7337.
So try and get here through here before the music starts back up.
All right, we got
Another 6 deuce. Laid out. Got the skirts.
another $100 Harley.
On air.
7752. 7752. Come get your $100 to Harley Davidson. Or $50. My bad. $50. Sorry.
Come get your 50. Come get your Honda. Come get something.
And we got a shuttle.
Really clean. Me like. Hard top 6.4. Rolling the Supreme. And gunmetal gray with a little flake in it. That baby making station. Super Sport. They got the 409.
7571.
Watch where I'm walking. Los Reyes. San Fernando. Dick's Insider.
This thing's badass. Dixon, extra large.
Big boat Pontiac. 4-door. Woo! Bringing sexy back.
Dixon, 7730.
You know this thing just floats.
7730 from
Big boat.
7730.
Clean trunk. Right. Right. Man, throwing the retro back.
Next up is this super cute Tommy Donovan
70 boat.
work shot.
That's Cinco de Mayo, May the 2nd. Valley gonna be bringing it in. Hands down, get it right there. La Morena. Badass bike. Clean, clean, clean. $51, I think. So it's okay to look. Just don't touch. I need to get that on my shirt. Ah. I need to get a sticker that says please touch. Ooh. Valley Classics, respects to that plaque. You see it in there? Bike's over here, and a cool ass trailer back there. Next weekend, next Sunday, Walter's One of a Kind, LA City College. It's on the 26th of April at Grand National. I am the devil, and I am here to do the devil's work. Hell, I bet you stick your head in the fire if I told you you can see the other side. Something like that, right? Valley Classics. Laid out. Special guest up here. Oh, hold on. Let's get that plaque first. Valley Classics. Get that special guest. The homie Spike. What up, Spike? Gizmo. Man, it's been a minute since I've seen that movie, Gremlins. Have to watch it later. Rolling 14s. Gizmo. Patina Love over here, Pachuco. Beautiful hubcaps. Pachuco, a solid car club here in the valley. Clean as fuck.
7323. 7822.
Beautiful color, beautiful insides.
7661. 7822.
Backside's not the backside of water. Let's look at that color.
Take any of the stuff that's up here. You can get, two things. 7, 4, 2, 3.
More pachuco.
7631. 7631.
Nice bench. Hello, ladies. I love seeing it, baby. Love seeing it. Shot of that booty.
90.
Safety first badge. Pachuco.
7463. What about 3 more tickets? 7463.
Yeah, it's like a soccer field that they created right there.
54 over here. What do you guys say about it, Felix? Got that straight.
7904.
Oh, Reggie now. Beautiful.
7292.
Little homie in there.
7292.
Check out this bed. Check it out in a second. We'll get a little more detailed in there. Get the full spectrum of it. Look at that bed. Somebody got in trouble right there. No yours.
Keep them out, keep them out, keep them out. Hold on. 7811.
This truck is freaking nice.
7769.
The fold down knuckle buster right there.
7442. 7442. 7741. 7561.
I'm dropping my drawers. I gotta go pick up my drawers back there. Over here in the corner. Nobody puts baby in the corner. 46. Got that straight. Got that patina love. That little Optimum battery down there. It's got all the things we love. Big white walls. Shifter on the console. I'm in love. I'm all shook up on. Hey, yeah. Wish my car was old enough to have one of those. 39. Tony over here. Super clean, super sexy. The workstation. That's where it happens. Oldies. Stepping over some Black Death right there. Oldies, respects. Man, looks like somebody shit their eggs right there. Show you what I'm talking about here in a second. Got that straight. Got the wings up.
Yeah, the second, yeah.
7923.
Yeah, over there. Hold on.
39 Buick. So it's got that patina, but it's in the mix. Drop top.
Sí, Ahí le vamos a empezar a sacar los golpecillos para ver si le damos color. Para...
Sexy, baby, sexy.
¿Quién habla?
Sweep the leg. Put him in a body bag. Yeah, I know he was driving a different car, but goddamn, still gives it that Karate Kid feeling. That 63 we saw last week, all original. JoJo. Get up on that thing. Oh shit. Thank you, thank you. That's awesome, baby. And that 63 is truly awesome. Beautiful. Get up off of that ass. You never know unless you go, guys, so get up off your backside. Shake your tail feathers. Get up and get out. You know what I'm saying? See? Got two 63s side by side. Check out the baby making station back there.
As soon as 100 are filled, so the more you buy, the faster the raffle will go.
Got that little junior tack right there.
You guys hear that? The raffle.
The race-o-meter.
It'll be on the QR code.
Go around the other side so we can get around the booty.
Once they sell the 100 tickets, I think 50 or 100? 100. Okay, back to the music.
Uh-oh. Man, too soon. More than one way to skin a cat. We'll go around the other side. Got that Continental kit. Pole right there, low lows. Big old switch panel up in there. Got the pimp hats, Pimpalicious, baby. Pimp-o-licious. That bike's got a loud ass stereo. Check it out in the booty. It's old school. Tuck and roll interior. Love me a van. Looking over here locked up. Got that paint.
All right,
One from Lolo's.
If you participate in this car show, they're going to be doing the awards pretty soon, like in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Love it. Very nice, huh? All right. Back to business over here. Low lows.
They work. I dropped this on my truck.
Back. Check out the booty. Get low. So I get low for you guys. Throw me a $1 bill. That bike still got something to say. Got a Woody. 48 Fleetmaster station wagon. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not your grandpa's Woody. It's for Sal. Rolling a Krager. Yep, that's real wood. Just like in my shorts. Mighty Bell. Oh, hello, hula lady. Arizona plate. That Continental kit. For sale. Inquire within. I dig it. Rolling out time. Roll out. Roll out. That bottom floor footage, baby. Patina 440 Comet. Whoa. Had hands on. It's the grocery getter. That'll knock you out the way. Another one, Arizona plate. Good stuff, baby. Good stuff. We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out. Why? Because I love you too much. Mighty Bell. Whoa, ho, ho. Man, did I say that out loud? It's not a huge show, but you never know unless you go. We done came and we done found the fuck out. Baton Dukes over there. Say it one more time on that color because it's badass, and I don't think we got that trunk. We can go on together. Hello, ladies.
We're about to do the awards right now.
Latin Dukes.
Alright, y'all. First of all, we want to thank everybody for coming out today and taking your time this beautiful Saturday morning to join us out here and show off your stuff.
All right, so things are wrapping up over here. Good time, small show. It's always a good show, man. Good people out here. Good time, Sundowners over here with Sundowners Motorcycle Club. Out here in the beautiful city, San Fernando, on this beautiful day. Ice cold carbonated beverages going. Yes, there were some ladies from the 80s over there. Mighty Bell, no, I did not look. Not at one of them. Looked at all of them. Anyways, you never know unless you go. Like, subscribe. Thank you to everybody who's done so thus far. Creeping up on that 6,000. Help me out. Let's go. Let's go. You never know unless you go. So next time, let's fucking go.